Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with HubSpot CRM for investor lead management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Locate and click on the settings option in the main menu. On the left sidebar, find and select integrations. In the integrations menu, choose connected apps. Next, click on the Connect an App button. You'll see a list of available applications. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the specific application you want to integrate for investor lead management. Select the application you want to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once authorized, return to the HubSpot dashboard. Now, go to the Contacts tab. Click on Lists to create a new list for your investor leads. Choose Create List and name your new list appropriately. Set criteria for your investor leads, such as industry or investment interest. Save the new list to ensure all settings are applied. After that, navigate back to Contacts and select Companies. Here, you can add companies that are associated with your investor leads. Click on Create Company and fill in the required fields. Include details like company name, industry, and any other relevant information. Once completed, click Save. Repeat this process for each potential investor company. Return to the Contacts tab and select Contacts again. Click on Create Contact to add individual investor leads. Fill in all necessary information, such as name, email, and phone number. If you have imported investor leads from another source, make sure to adjust any details as needed. Tags can be added to categorize these leads effectively. Utilize the Notes section to record any additional insights or information. Once you finish adding all contacts, go to Deals to associate specific leads with potential investment deals. Click Create Deal and fill in the relevant details. Ensure to link this deal to the proper contact or company created earlier. Set up a stage for tracking the progress of each deal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.